metropolis in 1670, his dwindling, half-starved army actually managed to overrun the Spanish on their home turf. In the aftermath, the entire city burned to the ground. Some accounts blame Morgan for setting the city ablaze, while others believe the retreating Spanish were accountable. Either way, this is all that's left. One lone church tower is the last building standing from the original Panama City. Here, I'm meeting with Tomas Mendizábal, director of Panama's Anthropology Museum, to hear the brutal truth about Captain Morgan's final raid on Panama and his lasting legacy for Panamanians. So this is the original